Hello everyone. Recently we have upgraded the mechanical lab with an investment of about 2.5 CR. Because engineering demands more than theory. It demands real life applications and practical knowledge. Welcome to Galgotias College of Engineering and Technology, where we step into the heat transfer and refrigeration and air conditioning lab of mechanical department to break down the science of heat transfer and refrigeration and air conditioning through real working systems. Let's have a glimpse of all the machines that have been imported to this lab directly from Germany. Here we have WL308 setup used to demonstrate heat transfer in a pipe flow. It allows us to study how heat transfers between a flowing fluid and its surroundings by controlling parameters like temperature and flow rate. This helps us to understand convection inside pipes, which is widely used in heat exchangers and industrial systems. It may look simple in design, but gives really huge outputs. This right here is WL440 apparatus used to study free and forced convections. It demonstrates how heat transfers through fluid motion, either naturally due to temperature differences or with the help of a fan or a pump. The setup here clearly shows how heat transfer varies between the two modes, making it useful for cooling applications, cooling systems, as well as HVAC applications. This is the WL420 apparatus used to study heat conduction in metals. It demonstrates how heat flows through different metal rods, helping us compare their thermal conductivity. It helps us to understand one of the most fundamental modes of thermal applications and heat transfers, known as conduction. This right here is ET915.02 module featuring an added freezing stage. It demonstrates how lower temperatures are achieved and how system performance changes for freezing applications. It is a practical way to understand the difference between standard refrigeration and deep freezing. This is the ET915.07 module designed to study air conditioning processes. It demonstrates how air is cooled, dehumidified and conditioned for comfort. A practical setup to understand real-world HVAC air treatment systems.